Now, before I go into the video of me actually doing my nails, I just want to talk about it for a second. Now, I think that the nail kit is pretty, I actually like it. Now, I actually tried the regular kind with just the acrylic, not the dip, and I didn't like it. All the nails actually broke off within the first day, but I can honestly say these have been very sturdy. Now, I am a stay-at-home mom, and I've washed clothes, I have washed dishes, I have bathed my son, I have ate, I have done everything with these nails, and they are very, they're very, what's the word, secure, they're very sturdy. They're very sturdy. Now, some pros about the kit is, one, it's very sturdy, and two, it's very affordable. I got it from Walgreens, and it was about $15, I believe, and it comes with 40 nails, so you can use it multiple times. I will be using it again. Some problems that I did have, I can say, is the evenness of the nail. I did not buff it like I should have. I wanted to do something quick, but you actually have to take your time and get your nails rounded out if you want that good look. Now, I did, in the video, I have a white tip, but I actually painted over it with a blue color. I wanted short nails because I don't want to scratch my son or anything like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please continue to watch to actually see how I do it. I would recommend this kit to anyone. Like I said before, it's very sturdy. So if you want to see me actually do my nails, continue watching. Alright guys, this is the package and this is what it looks like, and it comes with everything you'll need. You want to start off with 100% clean nails. So right now I'm just pushing my cuticle back, I'm cleaning underneath my nails, and I'm wiping away the excess dust and any type of particles or anything that I have on my nails so that my nails will be clean. Alright, I'm also going to take a fingernail file and brush in downward strokes on my nails. I find that this helps the glue and the acrylic to actually stick a little bit better, but you don't want to go too crazy with it because you don't want to damage your nails at all. And then I'm just going to wipe over it again, and now it's time for the glue part. Now, you're not actually using glue, it's actually the gel that comes in the packet, but it's just as effective as glue. So you're just going to put it on the tip of the nail. And you don't want to put too much and you don't want to put too little, so you just want to make sure it's the right amount, and then you're just going to go ahead and place it on your nail. And you want to be careful with it because you only basically kind of get one try when you're putting it on. And these are the nails. There's no way I'm going to keep them that long. You guys know I have a son and I don't want to scratch him or anything, so I'm just going to go in and I'm going to cut them into a square and very short. Alright, that's what it looks like on one hand. And then it says on the instructions to go ahead and file them to your desired shape, so that's what I'm doing right here. And I am right-handed, so it's just so much easier to do my left hand. Alright, to me already it looks good and the nail is actually holding up. So I'm going to go ahead and do it on my right hand. So it's basically the same steps that we just talked about, but just on a different hand. And now I'm going through and cutting them, and this is what they look like. Alright, now is the dipping process. So it just says to break up the powder and just mix it with your stick. So that's what I'm doing right here. And you just apply the gel as if you would fingernail polish. A nice even coat on your nail, and then you just dip it in the powder. Dip it in there, and then you're just going to shake off your excess. And that's what all of them look like. I've actually did every last one of my nails, and I'm showing you right there. You can't really see because of sunlight, but it is kind of lumpy. Alright, now this is the spray that comes in the pack. It's a setting acrylic spray. So you just put this on to set the acrylic. Alright, and now I'm just buffing my nails to get all those lumps out. And sorry for the light, you guys. I actually did my nails outside because the last acrylic kit that I did, the smell was very strong and I didn't want it to get in the house with my son, so I came outside to do my nails. But this kit actually, the smell is not bad at all. I could have definitely done it outside. But like I said earlier, I'm just buffing and getting it nice and rounded. And there it is. I've buffed my nails and got all those lumps out. Alright, now I'm actually going to take a clear coat and just go on top of it for shine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my first dip kit and I would say it is a success. I've had it on for about 3 days and they're lasting really well. Please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe on this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!